All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be reviewing these 215 watt bifacial solar panels. Now that's 215 watts each, and they're bifacial, which means you can make power from the front and you can make power from the back. So that's kind of why I put them right here in front of my white garage doors, just to see if it makes a difference when I open my garage doors or when I shut my garage doors. And I want to check the voltage on these to see how much open current voltage you get on these, because like if you want to hook it to a power station, pretty much every power station only has a certain amount of voltage that you can put into that power station, or so you do not wreck your power station. So we're going to see if that open voltage is really close to correct, or at least what I get. A nice thing with these do have like 4 independent like spots on this that make power. Like this makes power, that makes power, that makes power, then that makes power. So if they get a little bit of shade on one of these, supposed to not mess up. Like if my normal solar panels that I actually already have, if you put a little bit of shade on them, it knocks the whole flipping solar panel out. But this one, if I just like shade this one section, it's not going to knock that whole solar panel out. So I'm going to show you that too. I'm going to go through a couple things in this and hope this will help you decide if you want to buy these pretty awesome solar panels. I think I already messed with them for a little while and they are definitely pretty nice. They're made by a company called Callsun, so I will have a link to these down in my description and in my first comment if you guys want to check them out. Now, they were sent to me to make this review, but I'm going to give you all my honest opinions on this. All right, first I want to test with my multimeter. I want to test the open circuit voltage just to see what these have. So let's get these cords. I'm just going to do one because then you can just times it by 2. But let's put this on voltage, DC. Let's see what we're coming up with. I can do this so you guys can see it. Doesn't really matter what way I put these in here. Should be, I think, somewhere like 20. Oh yeah, there we go, 20.6. That's pretty much what it says. I will put all the information right here on the screen of all the different parameters they have on these. So that's good. All right, I'm gonna connect these together. I'm gonna take one of the negatives and one of the positives and connect them together so I can just make this like one big solar panel. So then what will be at like 430 watts. Hopefully this will reach right into my garage. I'm going to connect these onto these MC4 connectors. They do have nice MC4 connectors. That's pretty much standard on these big solar panels. I'm going to put this inside. My solar generator is pretty much full, so I'm going to try to kill it a little bit right now with this electric heater. Go in the door, you dummy. Go around the corner. Okay, 300 and right there you can see that's pretty good. Holy crap, 383 watts. So right now it looks like I'm getting about 382 watts. That's crazy. That's actually really, really good. Yeah, out of a 215 watt panel each, that's really good. That's crazy. I don't know if you know anything about solar panels, but I'm very, very happy with that. You don't very often get almost the max amount out of it. And they're kind of sitting wonky. Yeah, I can see it's going up and down a little bit, but that's pretty normal, I think. I'm really happy with that. Let's see what happens when I cover up one of these cells. Like, let's go like this one, like I'm getting shade on one. If I just cover up one, I can't see it because my power station's in there right now, but you'll see it here on the screen. Now there's 2. Now, if I had my other panels out here, it would pretty much knock all this out because they were connected together. It'd be gone. I'd have no wattage. And I'm sure there's still, I already did this a little bit and watched it myself, but I have to have it in there because the sun's so bright you can't even see the flipping screen. But that's what it looks like if you just cover up 2. So if these are getting shaded a little bit, these things work awesome. I'm very, very happy with them. I don't know if you want to check some of these out. Like I said, I'll have these down in my description. That's the first time I've ever seen a bifacial solar panel. So let's see what happens too if I just open this garage door. So yeah, there again, it's almost 375. That's really good. And I still got this electric heater. So it's about 375. Let's see what happens when I open my garage door all the way up. Oop. Here we go. So there, now it's all the way open, and we are at, maybe I could have left it like that. Yeah, 355. It's dropped down there too, but I think they were going up and down quite a bit. So 358, 359. I want to see what happens when I just shut that and sit. I'm going to stay right here for a second. So let's see if it drastically changes. 350, or no, 360, 362, 366, 370, 376, 379, 378. I don't know. What do you guys think? Did it help? Like the reflection on my doors. I don't know if that helped or not. Maybe. I don't know. Did that seem to help, the reflection on my doors? Maybe. It's got to make sense. Look, let me show you the back of these solar panels. I mean, they look kind of like the front. So see, this is the back. It looks real similar to the front, so it's got to work like that. Might not be getting the perfect reflection off of my doors, but I really think these are cool. I think I want to do I really want to enclose my shed, so I really think I want to try to pick up like another, I don't know, 4 or 5 more of these to put on my shed roof to use solar in my shed build when I do that. So if you guys want to see that video, I don't know when that's going to come up. Maybe this summer I'll get to doing that, and then we'll put these on the roof of my shed. That's all for this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions on these solar panels, I'll do my best to answer any of them questions. So throw me a question down below, or just leave me a comment down there saying that was a good flipping review, Jim. Good job, buddy. Whatever you want. But thank you very much for watching this video. God bless and have a great day.